hei hi Akashvani Aizawl ani Chanchinthar achiar to silal munsangi Tugindar Sari Chanchinthar Sinlung Hills Council bial sompania intlan atan vote thlak chanani a chonu dar khatlenga chinsia danin vote sing khat zanga somsari pariat atlato Sinlung Hills Council a hian vote nei sing ni sang thum za sari somriat pakwan oma mi pa sing khat sang kha zaria somsari pangale meichia sing khat sang kha zakwa sompali ni in tundin huna mi pa sanga za somkwa pasarin vote an thlak to a meichia sanga za thum somriat pakhatin vote an thlak to bokani State Election Commission atanga thudon danin sha theichina borak domlo thling omlova District Pathum Aizawl Saitwal le Kolasi pa District Election Officer le SP cheuten uluk takinan vil rengani Mizoram State Election Commissioner Secretary Pukelal ding lian chuan vote nei zong te vote thak turin soma borak mon om tak noya inthlan kalpui ni theinan political party tlomngai pol le mi pui zong tho puina ngena Sinlung Hills Council inthana polling station ven uluk ngai Critical polling station som par ko om thule quick response team tepon uluk taka duty tura rahman na siam ani thosoin assembly Manipur nai ramria tepo tulbik nat na le chhia to tilova chuan veivak omlo tura ramri kharvek ani thosoibok Sinlung Hills Council hi kumsang ni som pakwa khan intlan ma saberne ni a tuntuma intlan na hiang kil thuma changa inbe na omin ZPM le HPC party te antang don dona MNF le HPCR tang donin Congress in seat om zong anchu dona BJP in seat khat anchu baka independent ding mi som panian ombok ani Sports Minister Pulal Nginglova Marchan in Khan October thla a Asian Arm Wrestling International Cup Mizo Infamy medal lo hon te longpuina buat saya Infamy te tan sport incentive cash award kalpui dan chu siam chatani tur thua soye Mumbai October ni som pakwa tangani somni paruk chunga in elna neya hian Mizoram atangin technical rat tlanga chuan senior man kezi somriat hwanga gold medal la a Benjamin lalompuyan senior man kezi za Huanga silver medal la in Vandam nga ki chuan kezi somriat meche Huanga dingle veilam in ela silver medal ve la in parawmena bronze la bokani lompuina hun buat se hian minister chuan sport incentive cash award hian Olympic Huanga infiam na sa Lovin Olympic sports discipline nilaute po tel ani to tur thu asoya Mizoram State Sports Council in Association som thum pathuma en kolmek te pek vek theidan su sarkar ngai twati soin Olympic discipline ten sarkar changalom puina andon angza a somnga zel Olympic discipline ni velaute nandong vedon ti asoibok Pulal Nginglova Marchan Mizoram in kumtopa international level arm wrestling in elna athlentur thuapuanga kumin December thla a Aizawl Mizoram angei pro Punjab mega match Mizoram ti in elna nei ani dona heta hian khovel huap arm wrestler chatilo kalin Mizo arm wrestler tenen anin machon tur thua soyani voinvek khan 2nd battalion Assam Rifles chuan Aizawl sipai lamwal chhaka Gachraj hola Mizo Chalai Pathum Asian Championship hlo tlin na mu te choi moina hun an manga hehuna hian arm wrestler Pathum te chu 2nd battalion Assam Rifle commandant Colonel Mukesh Swada chuan longpoina le choi moina thilpe ka pe a hehuna telve People Arm Wrestling Federation of India President Jagani Priti chuan thu soin arm wrestling a Mizo Chalai te maso na chu mu thei khopa alan thu soya Mizo Chalai ten khovel huap ang po in arm wrestling a mabak eng takan nei te soibok
Arm wrestling is now seeing a boom in the country. It has huge viewership. In fact, after the Pro Punjab League 2023, which was aired on Sony Sports Live, it had 32 million unique viewers and it beat a lot of other sports and it shocked a lot of people in the sporting world that arm wrestling has such a huge audience all over India. Now, not only in India, but every international athlete wants to come here to India to participate. So we have already announced a tournament along with the Sports Minister of Mizoram here in Mizoram as well to hold a Pro Punjab Mizoram mega match special in which Denik, who's a superstar now in Mizoram, will headline the tournament and we will have an international opponent against him and we will have
Mizoram Board of School Education chuan Nimin Khan High School Living Certificate HSLC exam hunati chhuak ka na February ni som pani atangin exam tan ani ang Mizoram Board of School Education thu chwa tarlan danin na February ni som pani practical in bulletin ani dona February ni som pakwa tangin theory examin Mizole tongdang subject examine dona February ni somni panga English subject examine February ni somni pariata science subject an exam dona March ninga a social science examine March ni som pakhata mathematics an exam anga March ni som pathuma home science theory civics and economics le commercial studies ten exam le dona ni HSL's exam nung ber kumin khan exam be to zir lai sing khat sangriat zanga somruk pakhat ni in zir lai sing khat sang thum zaruk som pariatin an pasa hengzing a hian distinction a pass mi sang khat zathum somthum pahni first division a pass mi sang thum zariat pakhat second division a pass mi sanga zanga somruk pali le third division a pass mi sangni zakwa somni pakhat an oma HSL's exam nung bera hian exam pass mi chia sangsari za somriat pakhat omin mi pa sangruk zali somthum pasari anom bokani chuti zong chu Chanchinthar kan puan thei chu ani